Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you each one of the Shopify plans in detail. I'll also be breaking down the features, limitations, and the ideal business type for each one of the tiers. Additionally, I'm going to share some tips on how to choose the right plan for your own e-commerce business and needs. And finally, I'm going to talk to you about a free ebook resource that I've created for you. You're going to find it extremely helpful for your e-commerce business. So if you're looking to get your e-commerce store and business up and running, then be sure to stick around for that. And without much further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to get started, if you haven't already signed up, then sign up for a Shopify account obviously, and you're going to find one of the best current Shopify deals linked below. At the moment, it's a 3-day free trial, and then you would just have to pay $1 for the first 3 months on any of these 3 plans that you see right here. So you're going to get the features of any one of these plans right here for only $1 per month for the first 3 months. It's a temporary offer, so definitely be sure to grab that one. Okay, so first up, we have the basic Shopify plan. So this one starts at only $32 per month if you are going to be paying monthly, or you can be getting billed annually and only pay $24 per month for it. The basic plan basically provides an excellent starting point for new businesses looking to establish an online presence and start selling. So it does offer limited functionality compared to the higher tiers, but you still get access to powerful e-commerce features and capabilities far beyond the basic website builders. With the basic plan, you will be able to set up a professional online storefront and shopping cart. You can also add unlimited products and manage your inventory. There's even storage for images and files, and you can choose from standard free themes to customize the look and feel of your site. The plan also offers 2 staff accounts, as you can see right here, and some basic reports, with up to 1,000 inventory locations. And when it comes to taking payments, you can accept all major credit cards through a secure hosted checkout. You can print shipping labels and take advantage of discounted USPs rates. The plan also provides basic calculated shipping rates. On the marketing side, basic Shopify allows you to leverage email, set up customer segmentation, and integrate with social channels, as your products can be automatically indexed in search engines and you can embed buy buttons across the web. For the reporting, as mentioned, you will have access to basic sales, traffic, and order data. You can see top products, referrals, conversions, and more to optimize your store. Also, the abandoned cart recovery helps re-engage shoppers who left items behind. With the basic Shopify plan, you will also be getting 24/7 customer support via various channels, and your site will be PCI compliant with fraud analysis protections. You can set basic permissions for any additional users or staff members. However, the potential drawback of the basic plan are the transaction fees. You will pay 2.9% plus 30 cents for each online credit card payment. However, with full e-commerce functionality for $29 a month, it remains an incredible value. So the basic Shopify plan, in my opinion, is ideal for startups and entrepreneurs launching their first products, small boutiques with lower monthly sales volumes, or sellers wanting to test product viability before fully committing to it. So it does provide new retailers with the core tools needed to sell online in a professional manner for an affordable price. Moving up a tier, we have the Shopify plan, which starts at $69 per month if you're paying yearly, or $92 per month if you're paying monthly. So compared to the basic Shopify plan, and the core upgrades with this plan are lower credit card transaction fees and more advanced sales reports and analytics. You also get additional staff accounts and built-in marketing functionality like email and SMS automations. The standard Shopify plan is suitable for established e-commerce brands seeing steady growth and wanting to expand their sales. You do have access to the same powerful store setup features as the basic plan, including unlimited products, variants, inventory, and themes. However, your storage is increased to 5 GB for larger catalogs. And when it comes to taking payments, you can accept all major cards through secure hosted checkout, just like the basic Shopify, but this one also adds the option for manual or automatic payment capture, and you also get access to discounted shipping rates and advanced calculated shipping capabilities. On the marketing side, the standard Shopify plan include email and SMS automations to streamline communications. Retargeting ads and customer segmentation provide greater customization of your messaging and promotions. And of course, for the reporting, you unlock professional grade analytics and sales data. You can customize metrics and dashboards to closely track your performance. Automated reporting via email keeps you up to date without any manual work. And just like the basic plan, you get 24/7 customer support through all the channels, and the difference is the lower credit card fees, just 2.6% plus 30 cents per online sale transaction compared to the 2.9% one on the basic Shopify. So with greater marketing automation, advanced reporting, and lower transaction fees, the standard Shopify plan is ideal for established brands seeing strong growth and expansion. It provides great value for the money as sales volumes scale up. Up a tier, we have the advanced Shopify plan. This one brings enterprise level capabilities to high volume brands and starts at $299 per month when billed annually or $399 per month when billed monthly. Advanced Shopify supercharges your store's setup features. You get unlimited products variants, collections, and a huge 20 gigabytes of storage for sizable catalogs. You'll also be getting extensive design customization, and themes enable complete control over your brand imaging. You can set advanced international pricing rules for global expansion. On the payments and the shipping side, advanced Shopify enables automatic payment capture in addition to discounts on shipping labels, and you can integrate third-party shipping solutions as volumes grow. Marketing capabilities are enhanced as well. Segmentation gets more granular, and app purchase volume discounts can drive down costs. For reporting, completely customized analytics give you full control over the data that you track, and advanced metrics across all channels provide deep insights. You'll also be equipped with automated reporting workflows which deliver actionable data right to your inbox. Again, when it comes to support, you will have the 24/7 priority assistance via all the channels, and you also get advanced permissions and controls, IP whitelisting, and detailed activity tracking. For the credit card processing rates, they are discounted to just 2.4% plus the 30 cents per transaction. And the advanced Shopify is tailored to enterprise retailers processing over millions of dollars in sales annually. It's feature packed for established brands managing huge product catalogs. So the extensive customization takes your business to the absolute next level. And finally, the plan we have for today is Shopify Plus. This is the fully customized enterprise solution for only the highest tier merchants. Shopify Plus starts at $2,000 per month, but is negotiated privately based on enormous sales volumes and the custom needs. Shopify Plus clients get dedicated one-on-one support from a merchant success manager, and the team handles advanced custom store design, development, and complex workflow automation. Reporting is also tailored to your specifications. Volume discounts extend across the board from apps to payment processing fees. You receive the highest priority support 24/7. The Shopify Plus buyer's guide states that this tier is intended for business processing over $1 million per month in sales. However, you likely need to be doing tens of millions annually to qualify. So unless your business is massively dominant in your niche, Shopify Plus is overkill for most brands, even at large scales. And you can maximize the customization potential of advanced Shopify in most cases instead. So that was all for the Shopify plans overview. The best way to determine which Shopify plan is ideal for your business is to take them for a test drive. So start with Shopify's 3-day trial, where you can build a store, add some products, and experience the platform and capabilities firsthand before committing. And then after that, obviously claim the temporary offer in our description, which will give you access to any one of the first 3 plans for $1 a month for the first 3 months. So definitely be sure to check that one out. And of course, if you're looking to take your e-commerce business and journey to the next level, then go ahead and check out our free ebook in the description down below as well. It will provide you with valuable insight on getting started with e-commerce, especially if you're looking to boost your sales. So let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we're going to create related to this one.